Today we shall demonstrate how to prepare a custom-made patch cable quickly and efficiently using our tool and connector. Strip off approximately 1 inch of the cable's jacket using the crimping tool or a cable stripper. Be careful not to damage the inner conductors. Separate the 4 twisted pairs and unwind each pair so that you end up with 8 individual wires. Straighten these 8 conductors as much as possible, since they will need to be very straight and kink-free for proper insertion into the connector. Hold the cable conductor ends facing away from you. Moving from left to right, arrange them in a side-by-side ribbon formation, placing them in either 568A or 568B standard color code order. Using the crimping tool or a multifunction scissor, trim the conductor's ends to ensure the conducting wires are even. It is important that you trim the conductor ends right before you insert them into the connectors, as exposed coppers from the conductor jacket hinder the frictionless insertion. Holding the connector so that its pins are facing away from you and the plug clip face is down, carefully insert the straightened, arranged conductors into the connector, pushing through until the conductor ends emerge at the front. For better results, push the cable jacket as much as possible into the connector. Check to make sure that the wire ends coming out of the connector's front are in the correct order. If not, remove the connector, rearrange the conductors into proper formation, and reinsert them. Once the conductors are inserted correctly, it is recommended to twist the end of all 8 conductors together to ensure ease of continuation. Remember, once the connector is crimped onto the cable, it is permanent. If you realize that a mistake has been made in color code after termination, you will have to discard the connector and start all over again. Insert the prepared connector cable assembly into the RJ45 slot in your crimping tool. Firmly squeeze the crimper's handles together until you can't go any further. If your crimper doesn't automatically trim the wire ends upon termination, carefully cut the excess conductor ends with a scissor to make them as flush as possible with the connector's front surface. The closer the conductor's ends are trimmed, the better your final plug-in connection will be. We hope that this demo has helped you to identify the benefits of using pass-through connectors as opposed to a legacy RJ45 connector. For any further query or assistance, please feel free to contact us.